to Versus Funhouse.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of new videos. Hello Raindrops, I'm in Royal High and I thought I would show you my version of the Valkyrie set. I know a lot of people are doing these. I'm not sure if anyone has made this version yet or not, but I wanted to show you based on what I could find. So let's go ahead and go to dress up. So the first thing was the December Dream skirt. I did toggle 4 and I colored them all this light blue color right here. Just so that it kind of matches the dress for the Valkyrie set. And then I used the Snow Swan heels and I did toggle 5. I cut the buckle pendant off, the shorts off. I have it on stiletto with no feathers. You can do the platforms if you really wanted to. And then you can do the lace tights or no tights. I did toggle or color the tights my skin color, so it just depends on what you want to do there. I use the opaque just because it's a little bit brighter. So here are the colors. I just did the top of the shoes, this gold color right here in the middle. And then it doesn't matter for the feathers and stuff like that or the belt. So here are the colors that I used. Okay, let's move on. So I used the Blade of Light. If you don't have the Blade of Light, you can use the Aurora longsword here. Either one works, and I just would color it a little bit to make it more like what she was using. So I'll show you what that looks like. So you can use this as well. It's a little bit smaller and it's not so shiny, so it might work a little bit better. It's just up to your preference. And then for the bodice, I did the Dear Dolly corset on toggle 3. And then I colored those both the light blue color right here to match the skirt. And then for the other bodice, there are multiple options, but I used the Winter Guardian one because I felt like it gave me the most gold color. So the bodice, I colored the light blue, and everything else, I colored that middle yellow color right here, this gold color, to kind of match. Obviously, if you prefer it just to be the solid blue, you could do that as well. The Goddess of Triumph also works, but it doesn't show as much gold, so that's why I chose this one. You could do the lighter yellow color too if you really wanted. It doesn't make a huge difference. But I thought this one showed the most gold to be more like her breastplate. And then you can see the shield here. I colored to match her hair, and then either of the yellows right there in the middle. And then for the Valk, or the kind of crown looking thing, I used the vampire from the Vampire's Air from the Halloween stuff, and I have lots of those, so hopefully you guys do too. And then, of course, the Angeloid hair clips to make the sides. And then for the skirt, I also use the Opposites Attract skirt, just the skirt, and colored those the light blue color as well. For some reason, it changed the color. There we go, that matches. You can do the darker, but I'd make everything the darker color, or it's not going to blend in quite as well. And really, that's it. So those are the options that I chose. Like I said, the Goddess of Triumph also works. I just used the human arms. And of course, the face, I chose the first one here that was made specifically for the Valkyrie. And then obviously the hair. I like the one that showed from the side, but you can choose any of those and the bangs. So I hope this helps you if you want to dress up kind of like the Valkyrie and not have the set. It's really easy with what stuff I already had. The only thing I had to buy were the Angeloid clips, and I did end up buying the shield. I know a lot of people already have the shield. You can buy both of those right now in the shop. So if you go to the shop, you can type in shield, and it's for 5,000 diamonds. And then hair clip for the ears here. Let's see. I think that was everything. I just wanted to make sure I didn't leave anything out. So let's type and search for the hair clip here. So it is 8,000 diamonds. So really, I had everything except for those two things. So hopefully this helps you make the Valk set without having to buy the toy. If you like this video and you want me to do more outfit hacks, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Bye, Raindrops.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.